Good evening, Sanitizer. Data from our intel has shown that there have been a little flood in the area called a rice field. Now, what your mission is to go there and clean up as much trash as you can, and return bringing the objective. Your mission objective for today is to go to the area, observe the area, and clean up as much trash as you can, and return bringing the data of how much trash that you collected, and you will be rewarded accordingly.
Now that sounds like a challenge.
Your mission is to clean up as much trash as you possibly can. Although I know you will not be able to clean it all up in one day, I wish that you will do your very best. Good luck, Sanitizer. To clean up is to be responsible, and being responsible is a part of exercising power. As human beings, we are nothing if we cannot be responsible for the mess we make. But sometimes, not everyone can be responsible. So, who is the leader? You should be able to take leadership of your own actions. And to take leadership, one of the acts is to become responsible for your trash. Roger that. It might seem like a simple act, but it is a great act in philosophy. It is not just picking up plastic trash. It has a very deep and profound meaning in existing. What am I talking about? I don't know. I'm just trying to sound epic, okay? Switching between personalities. It's really fun. Especially doing this. I really enjoy doing this. How do you like these type of videos? I don't know. I'm just experimenting here. I really enjoy making this video. Today was really great, and I really have something to share at the end.
So guys, I just finished the operation, and I only cleaned up one trash bag, but we have another 3 here, and I didn't clean up these. These were cleaned up by our fellow citizens, people of the planet. And those people are really amazing. I wish to them a really good life. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me and doing everything. And we cleaned up the entire side of the road, pretty much. So I hope this is going to be sustainable. Hope we're going to be able to maintain the cleanliness of this area. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for being awesome.